Hey, do you want something like this? Well, you came to the right place. Here's how. First, go into Roblox and remove everything out of your avatar. It doesn't matter what color you are, by the way. Once you've done that, type heart skip. Now click on the emote. Now click on your character twice. Now record. I'll speed this up for you guys. Now wear your normal outfit. Once you've done that, type heart skip again. Click the emote again. Click your character twice and record. Now go to CapCut. Click on New Project. Now choose your first recording. Now it should look like this. Go to Audio and click on Extract. Input any audio you want. Cut the thing you don't want. Now hold, and when it goes dark, you can move whenever you want it. Now cut it wherever you want it to stop, as long as it's not too close to the end. Now click on this. Now go to the end of your recording and click on it again. Now spin your recording or video. Now delete the ending. Now click on the plus button and choose your second recording. Now make it bigger. Now use this again. Click on it at the start of your second recording or video. Now go a little bit further and click on this again. Spin it the same way as you did for your second one. To make sure it's properly, watch it. Now it should look like this. Now, this is how you make it trim. And click the 916 option. Now input effects on your second video. First, type in hearts. Choose pink hearts. Extend it to the whole of your second video. Another one. Now type in purple mist. Yeah, sorry, I'm bad at spelling. It should be the first one to pop up. Extend it like your heart one. Now type in watermark. You can put more effects, but I'll just leave it like that. If you want, put the brightness up. To do that, go to Adjust. Now click on Brightness. Now click on this button up here. Put everything to max. Now it should turn out like this. And you're done. I hope this video helped you. Bye.